This micro video is a continuation of the ACE, King and Queen, focused on technologies and a route to market aimed at reducing cost and expanding market reach. This section considers how the extended value chain are to be engaged. The combination of proactive product to project solutions and the decentralization of the extended scope of work in the manufacturing process requires a shift in the value chain to support the delivery of OS EMBS projects. If we focus on the more identifiable roles depicted here, accepting there are roles of equal value, however, the applied principles relate to similar roles. We also accept that there is complexity in integrating the functioning entities and even significant realignment of core processes within each entity. Yet as a micro video, we will keep the content above the trees and focus on the impact. There is a natural assumption that it's all the same pie in the considered horizontal route to market. It's just moving costs further downstream with a looming cascading waterfall back-end loaded with project expenditure from which to drown in. The ACE and the King provide amortization of a significant element of design cost. There is no provision in the value chain for that to return. OS Optima's lean physique, in part, is reduced costs through centric to remote supporting infrastructure, which relates to central cost absorption. The understandable questioning of restoring expertise back to seasonal contributors while unleashing the shackles of distraction from the manufacturers, however compensational for ineffective production techniques, is the area we are to discover as effective integration, where value over volume, or effectively referred to as less for more, resides. Proactive product approach, particularly when representing as a quantifiable visual representation on a digital platform of mixed realities, offers those promoting OS EMBS, off-site engineered manufactured building stock, visibility, unfettered by the limitations of regional manufacturing capabilities, secured by competitive available capacity of OS Optima or cooperative participating manufacturing contributors. The alliance of the real estate developer in the promotional attributes to an extensive market, operating with additional tools in which to support their clients through simulation, evaluation and qualification. The property developer requires three main tools. Visibility of OS project solutions as a viable option to a desired project. The plus of being able to provide these options without the expense of concept designs and formal proposals at the initial phase will help grow the OS modular market sector. 2. Providing greater control of an often veiled process between materials and components entering an OS facility and product coming out will improve confidence of property developers to engage in modular solutions. 3. The most evident driver is cost competitiveness, and this is outlined throughout the deck of cards. As with the real estate developer, the property developer is not a direct cost to the project, yet the very nature of placing the horse before the cart by having proactive product solutions is likely to extend the OS market sector exponentially. Architects have a route to the OS EMBS product to project-based market that reduces the cost and avoids any duplication of rework such as DFMA. Project-incited or project-inspired, it's imperative to adopt a proactive product route to market with a high degree of standardization, with a workable degree of customization in each system to product configuration. Without it, it's unlikely the advantages of EMBS, engineered manufactured building stock, will ever be realized. For architectural entities, particularly with the onslaught of AI, it's a route to market that offers diversity of applied competencies to a wider global market with sustainable revenues. Centric to remote supporting infrastructure, channeling now certified material supplies to meet product-related demand pulled through the same collective repository by affiliated manufacturers, be it OS Optima or project-based facilities, lends itself to competitive and uninterrupted supply from multiple sources. Suppliers can also form a syndicated proactive product built around their own branded material components as a direct push to market from an added value product proposition. Project management or any similar role with the benefits of a more transparent process offering greater visibility, in turn providing greater control of the project with accessibility to quantifiable data supported from both remote and centric positions, facilitates a more robust platform from which project compression is more likely to be attained. There is no hiding the fact that the objective is to greatly reduce on-site activity, and in doing so impact the phase of project delivery in terms of significant compression. However, there is scope to pay premium rates on such reduced applied hours, with more often a more completed product out of the manufacturing facility, designed with mechanical fitting features for the likes of external cladding, etc., wherever possible. If there is ever a good time to reduce labour in a market sector as a positive for the remaining incumbents, it's where the resources are scarce and demand is high. Fewer hours per project, more projects to be completed. The Jack of Diamonds representing an engaging value chain in the delivery of OS. EMBS led Proactive Product Solutions, facilitating true lean manufacturing of building stock. And while it might take the majority years to move through the 3 stages of cooperation into collaboration, and eventually as the market focuses into coalescence, each step offers benefits to both the contributors and the end users alike. There are no losers in the horizontal route to market. The complexity of the integration of the entire value chain to reach optimization is not without a challenge or two, but adding costs downstream while the re-engineering front end is being implemented is not one of them. Total leverage compression.